Hi, this is Tom. I'm not in my family room as usual. My wife is meditating down there and I don't want to disturb her. So this is the last weekend of October. And let's go weigh myself and see how I make minestrone soup. Alexa, what day is it?
Today is Saturday, October 27th.
Woohoo! I'm at 163.
All right. 163. That is my goal. I've lost, let's call it 37 pounds since I started back here on January 6th. I am right at my weight goal because I stopped it at 163. And if I expand this out to 1 decimal point, you'll see that I've lost 0.88 pounds every week on average since the beginning. I was at Daytona Beach this week, and I'll be at Walnut Creek next week. So still eating out a lot. Even though I have met my goal, let's not call it complete, because in weeks past, sometimes my weight goes up. So if I can stay at 163 or less 2 weeks in a row, then I'll call it a success. So let's wait till next week to say, yes, I have done it. It's been colder than average here in North Carolina, so I made some minestrone soup. So I thought I'd show you that recipe and how to calculate calories for that.
I'm recording this the same day that I made my green smoothie. It's a little cool in North Carolina today and tomorrow. So I thought I'd make some minestrone soup. So let me show you the recipe for that. I'm going to start by putting the stove top on medium. I'm going to take 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil and put it in my pot. My recipe calls out for 2 onions. Food Line conveniently gives me this, so I'm going to put 2 of those in. Next are 5 stalks of celery. Next is 5 whole carrots. I don't have any whole carrots, so I'm going to use baby carrots instead. Next is 1 shredded small cabbage. Again, to save time and ease, I'm just going to use this angel hair coleslaw. Coleslaw is cabbage. I'm just going to dump the whole thing in. Once all that is limp, I'm going to add stewed tomatoes. This is a 14.5 ounce can. I'm going to add 1 can. 2 can, and 3 cans. I'm now going to add some spices. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 4 teaspoons of basil, 3 teaspoons of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of parsley. 8 cups of water. We're going to wait till this comes to a boil. After it comes to a boil, we're going to add 3 cans of these kidney beans. This is the 15.5 ounce size. And then the final ingredient will be a 46-ounce bottle of V8. V8 comes in a variety of different styles. I like this original one with low sodium. There's a lot of soups out there that have a lot of salt. So this is my way of having one that isn't quite so salty as the other ones. So let's wait for that to boil, and we'll add the beans and the V8. This is boiling, so we're going to add our 1 cup of beans, 2 cups of beans, and our third, I should say, can of beans, not cups. And then the V8. And that is the recipe. I'm going to put this on low heat and let it simmer. And it's just going to stay like this for a couple of hours until dinner later on tonight. Go to the spreadsheet and we'll figure out the total number of calories for this whole big pot and try to figure out how much it is per serving.
Olive oil with only half a cup is a whopping 960 calories. Celery had about 50 calories, carrots about 80, cabbage 88, stewed tomatoes about 390, spices I just said was 0, water 0, the kidney beans the most 1365, and finally the V8 is about 270. I rounded off the volume here. Overall it's about 31 cups of ingredients, about 3,200 calories. Again, just round it off. So overall, it's about 105 calories per cup. I don't know, if I have a serving of soup, I would say maybe it's about 2 cups. So let's call it 210 calories per serving. Till next week. Bye.